What if I told you that India's beauty industry was once built on quick fixes, fairness creams, and surface level solutions, and then one brand came in and said, beauty is not skin deep, it's science, it's discipline, it's wellness. That shift, it didn't just create a brand, it changed an entire market. Welcome to Made in India. My name is Rania Kapoor, and today we're talking about VLCC, the company that redefined beauty as wellness. Why we put quotes? To understand impact, we need to understand what existed before it. Pre-1990s India, beauty was salon visits for weddings or occasions, homemade remedies, fairness-focused products, and no structured approach to fitness or nutrition. There was no concept of preventive wellness. No one was talking about body composition, scientific skincare, lifestyle-driven beauty. And most importantly, there was no organized industry around it. Beauty was fragmented, unstructured, and largely misunderstood. Then came VLCC. A woman entrepreneur, Miss Vanna Luthra, built something powerful, credibility. She focused on qualified professionals, scientific processes, and measurable results. Because she knew, in a new category, trust is everything. And once people trust you, growth becomes organic. From one center, VLCC expanded across cities, then countries, Asia, Middle East, Africa. But through all of this, the core philosophy never changed. Wellness first, beauty follows. Building a science-based wellness brand in India, and instead of fitting into the market, it redefined it. Here's how. Number 1, it shifted beauty to wellness. VLCC didn't sell facials. It sold programs, weight management, skin treatments, nutrition plans. It connected the dots. Your skin, your body, your lifestyle, they all are linked. Number 2, they introduced science into beauty. This wasn't trial and error anymore. It was structured, measured, and guided. Consultations, assessments, progress tracking. That was all new. Number 3, they created a category, not a salon, not a clinic, rather a wellness center. And when you create a category, you don't compete, you lead. But the biggest disruption wasn't services, it was mindset. VLCC made people realize that beauty takes time, results need consistency, health and appearance are connected. This was a big shift in a culture used to instant solutions. They moved consumers from quick fixes to long-term transformation. And once that mindset changed, the industry followed. Today, we see wellness startups, fitness apps, nutrition brands, medical aesthetics clinics. But decades ago, this wasn't normal. VLCC didn't just ride the wave, it created the wave. When one brand changes consumer behavior, the market has no choice but to evolve. VLCC's impact led to standardization in beauty services, the rise of professional training in cosmetology, increased trust in paid wellness programs, expansion of the health beauty economy. Even competitors had to upgrade. Better hygiene, better expertise, better results. That's the power of a true disruptor. It forces everyone to become better. So what can we all learn from VLCC in today's world of startups, creators, and fast-scaling businesses? Number 1, don't enter a market. Redefine it. If you're doing what everyone else is doing, you're replaceable. Create your own category. Number 2, educate to build demand. People didn't know they needed wellness. VLCC taught them. Education creates markets. Number 3, think long term, not viral. VLCC wasn't built overnight. It was built on consistency over decades. Number 4, build trust like it's your only asset. In wellness, results matter, and trust compounds faster than marketing. Number 5, lead the shift. Don't follow trends. Today, wellness is booming. VLCC saw it before it was obvious. That's vision. VLCC didn't just build a successful company. It changed how a country thinks about beauty. From surface to substance. From quick fixes to conscious living. And that's what Made in India is all about. Not just businesses that grow, but ideas that transform. Thank you.